to show you how to team your clothes with some traditional wear shoes. This is the part 2 of my shoe collection and I hope you enjoy it. So let's begin. Of my traditional wear shoes which I wanted to share with all you guys out there, so that coming bridal season you know how to team up your clothing with your shoes and you don't always have to wear heels. You can always wear flats and look extremely smart. So hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below for me to know what kind of videos do you really like. Till then, bye bye.